Elon Musk said only buy 500 XRP. But what is this all about? Stay tuned to find out more. Welcome to Crypto Live. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on our upcoming videos about cryptocurrencies. Can Elon Musk turn his attention to XRP after suspending Bitcoin for environmental reasons? So why buy 500 XRP today? Ripple, a company that deals with blockchain-based payments, has announced the buyback of $200 million of Series C shares. And with this, San Francisco-based technology company will now be valued at $15 billion, a record high for the company. To recap, Ripple raised $200 million in Series C funding in December 2019. Further, Tetragon Financial Group, a UK-based investment firm, acted as a lead investor, along with fellow participant SBI Holdings and Route 66 Ventures. Meanwhile, in December 2020, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission announced it would file a $1.3 billion financial lawsuit against Ripple Labs, as well as its co-founder Chris Larsen and CEO Brad Garlinghouse. The parties are accused of using their own XRP tokens to protect digital assets without a license. Tetragon sued Ripple in early January 2021 in the Delaware Clerical Court in an attempt to distance itself from Ripple amid their high-profile and openly public lawsuit. In addition, it aims at putting into effect its contractual obligation under the repurchase clause for an undisclosed amount of investment. Nevertheless, the court ruled in favor of Ripple and against Tetragon just 3 months later in April, effectively ending this financial dispute. In a recent tweet, Garlinghouse hinted that Ripple was seeking to strengthen its financial strength by voluntarily buying shares from Tetragon, SBI Holdings, and Route 66 Ventures. Although they faced headwinds in 2021, he said it was their strongest year ever, and that they had a bank balance of $1 billion, making them the strongest they had ever been. Working closely with developers and partners worldwide, RippleX has built many features for the XRP registry: NFT, CBDC, communication bridges, sidechains, and much more. And it is a 4-to-4 multi-chain environment after all. Also, Garlinghouse emphasized the prospects for RippleNet and RippleX, as well as the buyback and valuation news. Furthermore, the latter is intended to increase the utility of the XRP registry for a variety of emerging industries, such as non-exchangeable tokens, central bank digital currencies, and interoperable multi-chain functions. Per blockchain data shared by Whale Alert, the Bitso crypto exchange participated in the movement of more than 36.1 million XRP, a little more than 8 hours ago on that day. An alert received by Bitso Crypto Unicorn, located in Mexico, indicated the discovery of a whale worth 20 million XRP. Further data from BitThumb Analytics, which tracks XRP transactions, reveals that Bitso later moved 16,100,000 XRP within the country between its wallets. After a major funding round in May 2021, Today reported Bitso's value rose to $2.2 billion. At that time, the Mexico-based exchange had become the first crypto unicorn in Latin America. After that, Bitso successfully raised over $250 million in Series C investment round. Additionally, using Ripple's liquidity on-demand technology, the exchange began transferring money across Latin America in October 2019 after receiving an undisclosed investment from the technology provider. In a report published recently, Ripple Behemoth reported that its XRP sales for its ODL customers exceeded a staggering $1 billion in the fourth quarter of 2021, with sales reaching $717 million versus $491.74 million. This represents a 46% increase. As of now, the global demand for ODL has grown substantially in the third quarter, according to the document. Also, $321.99 million worth of XRP was bought on the secondary market by the San Francisco-based firm. Since a sharp sell-off in which more than $1 trillion worth of cryptocurrencies were lost from the combined cryptocurrency market, Bitcoin and cryptocurrency prices have slightly stabilized. In addition, Ethereum, BNB, Solana, Cardano, and XRP collapsed and created fears of new crypto winter. After reaching a peak of almost $70,000 per Bitcoin last year, the price of Bitcoin has stagnated at around $35,000 this month before recovering slightly. Nevertheless, some investors are hoping that Bitcoin will eventually reach staggering heights despite some pessimistic predictions. Goldman Sachs, the Wall Street giant, just issued a warning that an active introduction of cryptocurrencies may keep prices from rising and may even damage rumors that Bitcoins, Ethereum, and other digital coins are diversifying the portfolio. According to a Goldman Sachs note published by Bloomberg recently, implementing ASO may prove a double-edged sword. However, this may boost valuation, but it is also likely to lead to increased correlation with other financial market variables, decreasing the advantages of ownership diversification across asset classes. With Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies becoming increasingly popular over the past year, there's also been an increase in prices for most major cryptocurrencies, including Ethereum, BNB, Solana, Cardano, and XRP, which has grown in some cases by triple-digit percentages. Legendary Wall Street figures, well-known companies, and even a country bought Bitcoin, anticipating the price to skyrocket in the future. In the meantime, the popularity of implementing crypto technologies to create decentralized financial services, such as decentralized finance and collectible non-interchangeable tokens or NFTs that are built largely on the Ethereum blockchain, has risen as investors invest money in them. Meanwhile, JP Morgan, a competitor of Goldman Sachs, has noted high fees for Bitcoin transactions, and the possibility of network overload could be a problem for Ethereum valuation if Solana can take the market share from NFT. Meanwhile, more than 17,000 people have signed a petition urging Congress to investigate the U.S. SEC's handling of a lawsuit against Ripple Labs, which owns 55% of all the XRP crypto coins mined. Attorney John Deaton created the petition on change.org on January 19th on behalf of non-U.S. holders of the XRP token. As Deaton stated in Forecast, this petition claims that foreign investors in XRP were instead grievously harmed rather than protected by that agency. When the SEC sued Ripple Labs in December 2020 for allegedly selling XRP as an unregistered security, the international holders weren't having their voice heard, and it's frustrating. They've been frustrated because of the impact that the United States has on them, and so it is a way for them to make sure their voice is heard. It is expected that SEC v. Ripple Labs case will be decided or settled this year, and whether XRP is classified as a security under U.S. law will likely be determined. Thus, Bitcoin and Ether investors question why they have not been held to the same standards. In the closely followed case, SEC v. Ripple Labs, Deaton represents more than 63,000 XRP investors in over 60 countries. In his view, many foreign investors are citizens of countries that have legally determined that XRP is not a security, causing them to be injured due to the SEC's suit, which has impeded XRP's growth. Deaton further stated, the Japan Financial Services Authority has said that XRP is not a security. The United Kingdom's Financial Conduct Authority has said XRP is not a security. Singapore, Switzerland, United Arab Emirates, they've all come out and said XRP is not a security. And so since we're such a global economy and the U.S. is such an important market, it impacts these international holders. Moreover, his dossier and timeline suggest that, as stated in the position, SEC officials may have colluded with outside parties to regulate cryptocurrencies in line with their financial interests. Then, Deaton contends that this suggests Ethereum received a free pass from regulatory authorities. Richard Levin, partner and chair of the FinTech and Regulatory Practice Group at Nelson Mullins Riley in Scarborough, stated, the implication that the SEC acted illegally is out of bounds and inappropriate. According to Levin, the SEC operates under a set of rules. In an interview with Forecast, he added, attacks on the SEC are unwarranted. They have a job to do. Levin also said, the petition has an extremely low chance of success. When one party controls the executive branch and two parts of Congress, and it's an election year, the notion that Congress is going to act on any petition is hopeful at best. Among the signatories of the petition are Senators Sherrod Brown and Pat Toomey, who lead the Senate Banking Committee, as well as Representatives Maxine Waters and Patrick McHenry, who lead the House Financial Services Committee. Even though no members of the U.S. government are elected by or represent the interests of non-Americans, Deaton said he believes his 25,000 signature target will increase the likelihood of an investigation. However, it is not clear if the petition represents only foreign investors. Recently, Change.org didn't prevent a U.S. citizen from signing it because it asks for the country, state, city, and zip code. On the other hand, it was not possible to obtain the countries from which the signers originated or resided. Furthermore, the SEC's lawsuit has harmed XRP investors from anywhere in the world. Over the 13 months since the lawsuit was filed, XRP has gained about 36% in price, reaching about 61 cents. Who knows? Elon Musk might consider using XRP as a cryptocurrency for his Tesla cars as a sustainable payment method once the lawsuit is settled and XRP is won. With this, it could impact XRP to reach $35, and your 500 XRP bought today will be a decent profit soon.